Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to trade on Bybit for beginners. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply head over to your app store, then on the search bar type in Bybit, and once the app loads, all you gotta do is simply download the app. Then once you download the app, simply tap on open, and then if you are new to the Bybit application, you gotta register by your email or phone, and then once done, simply verify the KYC by tapping on the verify now, which is required for higher withdrawal limit and fiat on and off ramps, and enable two-factor authentication for security. Next is to deposit funds. To do, simply tap on deposit right here, or you can also tap on assets and there you'll be getting a deposit option. Simply tap on that, and now you can deposit crypto like USDT, BTC, or buy crypto with your card or bank transfer via Buy Crypto tab. Most beginners use USDT since it's easier to trade with. And next is to learn spot trading. What you need to do is tap on the trade option on the bottom of your screen, and here select a trading pair from BTC USDT or Ether USDT. Then choose an order type from market order to limit order, and once that's done, all you gotta do is enter in the amount and then simply tap on buy or sell according to your need, and once that's done, you'll be able to trade. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.